Yeah, welcome to Project Clark 123. I know I've got the wrong part, but here's a little video of how to check. So, that's what it looks like with the bottle away. So, I don't know, little just trying to think of his name now. Matt Armstrong idea. And I check the part code, part number, sorry. So as you see here, we have that's the old one, yeah. And the new one, we have always check the codes and make sure that you're ordering the right part. What can I say? Thank you everyone that subscribed. You got some new subscribers. Thank you everyone that's liked, shared and comment. Thank you. Peace out.